Welcome dear students to the Department of Civil Engineering. Myself Dhruv Saxena, Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. With this video, we will be taking you for a virtual tour of the department in which we will be showcasing the various laboratories as well as the various faculties who are part of this department. The Civil Engineering Department at ECA has been the part since the year 2011, and since then it has grown tremendously over the years. Currently we have the UG, and the Department of Civil Engineering with its multifaceted faculty continues to maintain the research and industrial link-up culture very well. So this is our first lab. This is the CACED lab. In this lab we have 35 plus systems. This is also a computer lab in which we learn various softwares like AutoCAD, StatPro, MATLAB, etc. This lab is also useful for various activities such as project, seminars, etc. These are the faculty cabins of the various well-qualified faculties of the Department of Civil Engineering. You may feel free to interact with any of the faculties at any point of time for any of the academic as well as non-academic discussions, and all the faculties find themselves very helpful in always helping you and advising you with the best things. This is the next lab. This is our Geotechnical Engineering Laboratory. Here you can see various apparatus which are the latest apparatus developed under the TechCube project. All these apparatus will be helpful in learning various aspects of soil engineering as well as geotechnical engineering. So here we can also see the various apparatus along with the lab technician for this particular lab. This is our next lab. This is the material testing lab. This is one of the biggest lab in our department, and it mostly deals with the structural analysis as well as the analysis related to concrete works. The various things related to reinforcement, steel analysis, the various confinement and tension measurements, as well as various development of concretes and how the tests are done. With this lab we'll be able to learn over the years how the concrete works, how the buildings are constructed. You can visit these labs at any point of time during the college hours, and each and everyone will be very helpful to you in assisting with any of the experimental setups here. This lab was also developed under the TechCube project, which is assisted by the World Bank and MHRD under the TechCube program, TechCube 2. This is the latest developed lab under TechCube 3 project, the Environmental Engineering Laboratory, in which we have various latest and the very sophisticated instruments which are digital and which are capable of analyzing the various parameters related to the water supply as well as the sewage, which is a integral part of our civil engineering. This is the geology lab in which we will be learning various aspects about the physical properties of the geological minerals, the various type of rocks, stones, and various type of technical knowledge that is related to the understanding about the earth. This is a seminar room, and it also acts like a digital room. It has been recently developed under the TechCube 3 project under the Digital Classroom Initiative. This is a fully air-conditioned classroom fitted with the digital smart boards and the mic and audio system. Next, we have the RMT lab, or the Road and Material Testing lab. This lab is as a part of assistance to the Transportation Engineering course, which is an integral part of civil engineering, where we will deal with the analysis of various parameters and components, materials related to the construction of highways, roadways, etc. Next, we have the Hydraulic Engineering lab. This is the latest developed lab with the latest machinery and equipments under the TechCube 3 project. It is a part of the Fluid Mechanics course. Again, it is also an integral part of civil engineering, and all the modern instruments and all the instruments related to fluid mechanics course are available here. This is one of the biggest apparatus we have. This is the analysis tunnel, where we study various phenomena with related to fluids. More details will be given to you as and when you join and start your civil engineering course. Last but not the least, we have the surveying lab. This is the basic lab and also the advanced lab. Here we will be learning the various aspects of geographical measurements using the various concepts and techniques of the subject of surveying. Okay, so now let's have a look about the detailed profile of the well qualified faculties of civil engineering department. So this is the departmental website where you can see the profiles of the various faculties otherwise as well. Let's have a quick look. So the first we have Dr. Ganpat Singh, who is also a working HOD of the department. He has recently completed his PhD from NIT Kurukshetra. Then we have Professor Mahesh Vanwani, who is pursuing his PhD at the RTU Kota under civil engineering. Then we have Professor Vishal Srivastav sir, who has completed his masters from MNIT Jaipur. Myself, Dhruv Saxena, I am currently pursuing my PhD in MNIT Jaipur under the specialization of water resources engineering. Then we have Professor Pravesh Saini sir, who is also pursuing PhD at MNIT Jaipur in civil engineering. We have Professor Nishant Singh Kushwaha, who has completed his masters from MNIT Bhopal and the branch of transportation engineering. Professor Dharmendra Singh Dhaka, who has completed his masters from IIT Guwahati in the specialization of structural engineering. We have Dr. Sankalp, who has also recently completed his PhD from SVNIT Surat in the department of structural engineering. We have Professor Shivam Chauhan, who has completed his masters and pursuing PhD at MNIT Jaipur in the branch of water resources. Then we have Professor Naveen Chaudhary, who has completed his masters from IIT Roorkee and pursuing PhD at MNIT Jaipur in the specialization of water resources engineering. Then we have Professor Anurag Kumar Singh, who has completed his masters from IISc Bangalore in the specialization of geotechnical engineering. Last but not the least, we have Vishnupriya Chaudhary ma'am, who has completed his masters from IIT Bombay in the field of structural engineering.